You searched for how to buy shares of Arcturus Therapeutics Holdings Inc, so in this clip we show the practical steps. Arcturus is a biotech developing RNA therapies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker ARCT. This is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an illustrative example. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and then add funds to enable purchases. Open the platform search and type the ticker ARCT to locate the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to find the correct Arcturus Therapeutics stock. On the asset page, you can read a short company overview and view the price chart to check recent activity. Confirm the company name and the ARCT ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest, choose the amount you want to allocate, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before the order completes. After confirmation, your Arcturus position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For convenience, the link to the broker is in the video description if you want to learn more.